So my account on Instagram was disabled completely out of the blue late on Saturday night. I have no idea what Instagram is doing over there.
I just realized that Nigeria is one of the most hated country in the world, if not the most hated country in the world. Just tell me why they would disable my Instagram account and my Facebook account, all because I'm in Nigeria.